right, we're here probably about 13,000 something, probably about 13,002, maybe even 13,000. Almost to the top. We are so close, but it is tough. It is really hard. So we're trying to stay motivated. But we could do this if we just take some breaks. We can get to the top. We're almost there. Keep going though. Don't stop. We're exhausted, we're tired, but we're making it. Do you want to take a break right here? Okay, we're gonna take a break. We're probably around 14,000 and it's getting really exhausting. We're tired. Summit is right on the other side of this. We're gonna be there. So. We're almost to the summit. Finn's dying. I'm exhausted. The wind is destroying us. But we're making it. Finn, put your hood on. It'll help.
I need water.
All right, let's just get to the summit. We're right here. You ready? This is the final push. Push through the pain. You can. This is it. It's not even steep up here. It's flat now. You got this. You got this. We'll get water up there. There's another guy behind us, so we're doing great. This is it. You made it. You made it. Woo!